Hey guys, so this is a really low-tech video, just so, because you'll probably be asked to do a video at some point, you should know that I am just using Photo Booth on my computer to record the video. I'm going to upload it to YouTube and then embed it into our canvas. So no high-tech sort of thing going on here. Um, and on this module, you will see that you've gotten to our first reading assignment. Um, and you might notice, and probably have noticed, that the module is called My Animal Education. What that means, and I've already said a little bit about this, is we're going to start by thinking about all the context and all the learning we've done throughout our entire lifetimes that have taught us things about how we think about animals, non-human animals, our attitudes, our beliefs, our experiences, our culture, etc. So we're going to start here with a choice between two readings. Both of the readings are personal narratives. What a personal narrative is simply a story. So one story is called Am I Blue by Alice Walker, and the other story is called Untamed by David Sedaris. And these are just their stories of some encounter that they've had with an animal. In the case of David Sedaris, he's talking in Untamed about a fox named Carol. And in the case of Alice Walker, she's going to be talking about a horse named Blue. So where this is going and why these readings are here at this point is you will be writing your own personal narrative for this first module. A short story where you're sharing some lesson that you learned along the way about a non-human animal. And it'll be in story format. So this is a good example of a couple stories for you to read. So again, the point here is to think about and reflect upon how you know what you know about animals, to think about all the experiences, what pop culture, media, children's books, experiences, family, all of those things have taught you things along the way about how you think about animals. And then you're going to focus on something, just like in both of these examples, they focus on one particular story that they share. They don't tell everything they know about non-human animals or every experience they've had. They simply focus on one. So yes, Alice Walker focuses on Blue, the horse that she lived next to for a while. David Sedaris focuses on Carol, the fox that he named and spent some time with. So you can begin by reading one of these stories. This is a student choice activity, meaning you're giving a choice. You don't have to read both of them. You certainly can if you like, but you don't have to read both stories. You can choose which one. And in order to help you decide, I've also at the bottom of this page added some links that'll give you a little bit more information about David Sedaris, who's kind of a satirical comedian writer. Both of these folks are still alive contemporaries. And then Alice Walker is an African-American literature and a female author. You may know her best from her work and her book called The Color Purple. All right, have fun with it, enjoy. I think you'll like them both. And then keep in mind that you'll be asked to write a reflective post on discussion board in response to whichever story you read.